What is fiction? Anything that is imagination. Did you learn this from grade 5, 5, 6, 7? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So fiction is something which is imaginary. But today we are learning something called as literacy fiction. It means a little serious story, okay? There are characters who can be real, but they have just created these characters. Clear? Let's not go much into depth with that. Now let's move on to the story. The story is written by, okay, is written by Anton Chekhov. Who is it written by? Anton Chekhov. Okay? This is very important. You have to remember these two details. It's very important. First one, the genre of the story is literacy fiction, and the author or the writer of the story is Anton Chekhov. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. I'm happy about that. Let's start reading the story.
Yes.
Okay, you all don't have books with you. Am I right? Okay, today once I will go, I'm going to send you the picture of this thing, okay? And I will going to also send you some homework. It's like a mini test for you, okay? 10 marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Be good here to me and listen everything that I'm explaining. If there is any noise anywhere, please mute your audios and don't disturb the class. Akash, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Good, it's good. Okay, how many students do you have total in class?
20.
33.
33, only 24 students here. I'm disappointed. Anyways, let's begin, okay? Kind sir, have pity. Turn your attention to this poor, hungry man. What do you think is this? A man is saying, kind sir, okay? Have pity. What is the meaning of pity, students? Pity.
Ma'am, ma'am, can you hear?
What is pity? Pity means to feel sorry for somebody. Pity.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am Mitra.
Who is it? Please tell me your name.
Ma'am, Mitra.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I am Mitra.
Okay, what happened, Mitra? Okay, yes, Mitra.
Are you able to hear me, ma'am?
Sorry?
Ma'am, are you able to hear me, ma'am?
What are you saying?
Ma'am, are you able to hear me, ma'am?
See you. No, I am not been able to see you, but I can hear you, and I think that's okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's good if you can hear me, okay? And don't bother to write
Okay.
anything. I'm going to send you all of these things. Is it clear? Do not bother.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Just keep your ears here because I want to finish it fast and that I don't want to bore you also.
Okay.
But I will expect to take
Yeah.
a little bit of a longer class with you because you're 8 standards now. Okay, let me continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, kind sir, have pity, feel sorry. Okay, he's saying, turn your attention to this poor, hungry man. So, he's saying, kind sir, please feel sorry for me and please give attention to a man like me, a poor man like me who is hungry. For 3 days, I have had nothing to eat. Okay, now he's saying for 3 days, I have had nothing. I have not eaten any food. Okay, and for 8 years, I was a village school teacher. So he's saying that from the past 8 years, he was a school teacher in a village and was unjustly removed. What is unjustly? Have you come across this word any time before? Unjustly. Unjustly.
Unknownly.
What is it?
Unknown.
Unknownly.
Unknowingly. Okay, I'll tell you what is unjustly. What is the meaning of just? Just. Only just. Have you heard about justice? What is
Yes, ma'am.
justice?
Peace.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that word justly or justice comes from this word comes from justice. Okay. Unjustly means unfair. Unjust is to be unfair. You know what is unfair? Unfair, you know? Students, what is unfair, you know? We say no, this is not fair. We say to our friends, this is not fair.
Ma'am, not good.
Not Not good.
Not
Not good.
good.
Something which is bad is not good. But not fair. We say, no, this is not right. What you're doing is not correct. It is not fair what you're doing. You can't take my things without asking my permission. This is not fair. So not correct is also correct about it. So unjust is unfair. Is it clear? So he's saying it was unfair
ma'am.
that I was removed from my school. Understood so far? Who was he before?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was he before?
And teacher.
Was a school teacher, village school teacher. Now, it has been a year now that I have done, I have had nothing to do. Now he's saying that he's saying that since the past 3 days that he's very, very hungry. Then he's saying that for 8 years he was a school teacher in a village. And that they removed him in an unfair manner, in an unfair way or in an unjust way there. Okay, they have removed him from his school, from his position of a teacher. And now it has been a year that he has no work to do. So far understood everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's come to a very tricky word, okay? Squats off. Everybody say this word, squats off.
Squats.
Look at this spelling, okay? The exam you have
Squats off.
squats off. S-A-B-O-R-T-S-O-F-F. Squats off. Repeat that. Squats off. Squats off.
That's all.
One by one say. Mitra say it.
Squats off.
Anushri.
Squats off.
Pujashri.
Squats off.
Niranjan.
That's
Niranjan.
Ma'am. Squats off.
Where is Niranjan?
Ma'am.
Say squats off.
Squats off.
Squats off. Very good. Vignesh. Squats off, please.
Squats off.
Akash.
squats off.
Okay. Squats, no. Squats. Squat.
Squat.
Squats off. Clear? Everybody can do it? Shrinika.
Yes,
say it.
ma'am.
Squats off.
Off.
Okay.
Squats off.
Okay, squats off. Very good. I want good pronunciations, okay? 8th standard students, bright students. So I want that. Squats off. Now, who is this squats off? Who is squats off?
Ma'am, I think a character.
What? He's a
I think
character.
a character. Yes.
Squats off is a character in the story. But what character?
Yeah.
First we learned there is one teacher. Now we are finding a new character. How is it? Okay. What is an advocate? Please tell me what is an advocate? What is an advocate?
Judge.
Okay, you know what is a lawyer? Lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
What they will be.
Okay. So this one,
Lawyer.
squats off is a lawyer, an advocate.
Advocate.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, squats off, the advocate looked at this ragged overcoat. What is an overcoat, by the way? Ragged means old.
Coat.
Overcoat.
Coat.
You know, okay, in India, no much people do not use overcoats. If you go to London, if you go to Switzerland, if you go to Britain countries, if you go to Kazakhstan, okay, these places, no, they are very cold. Okay, how is it? Very cold. They have people have to wear normal clothes. They will not wear clothes like us cotton. They will wear very ragged, heavy clothes, and they will wear like a suit, and on top of that, one more coat. Have you seen in movies and all? They will wear
Yes, ma'am.
a big
Yes, ma'am.
that is
Ma'am.
called an overcoat.
Ma'am, in English movies.
It is them for them to protect them from the cold. When they go indoors, they will take it off, but mostly they are wearing an overcoat. So squats off in this picture is having an overcoat. This is squats off. This one is squats off. Okay, he's an advocate.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the beggar who was saying that he's a school teacher. Then he's done. Who's talking there? Students, please don't. When you're talking, please mute the call. Okay. Okay, squats off, the advocate looked at his ragged overcoat, his dull, drunken eyes. What is drunken? Have you seen drunken people ever?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is drunken? Shrinika,
Ma'am.
what is drunken?
And drunken means I think past tense of drink. Past tense of drink.
Past tense of drink is drank and drunk. Okay, that is fine. Okay, you are very correct. Very close to the word. Drunken, a person who is already, you know, he has consumed alcohol. Everybody knows what is alcohol.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So is it good to do that?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
It is good to drink alcohol.
No, ma'am.
No,
Not-
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
But drunken is the state of drinking alcohol. Okay, once a person has drank alcohol, he becomes drunken. So this fellow, Squirts of the Advocate, is looking at this beggar whose clothes, the rag clothes, become dirty clothes. His overcoat. He's looking at his dark eyes, his drunken state. Okay. The red patches on his face. He has red marks on his face. And then he felt that he had seen this man somewhere. Squirtsov is looking at this beggar and he's thinking, I have seen this man somewhere before. Okay. Now, sorry. Now I have an offer for a position in the province of Kaluga. Where is Kaluga? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
Kaluga.
No, ma'am. No idea, ma'am.
Kaluga is a place in West Russia. Where is it?
West Russia.
Okay.
West Russia.
Russia. Is it visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Kaluga. This is a place in Russia. Okay, most of the concept from the story is Russian. Skvortsov, Lashkov, these names are from Russia. So, Kaluga is a place in Russia. Now, this beggar is telling Skvortsov the Advocate that I have got a job of a province. Okay, he's got a job offer of a position in a province. What is a province? Do you know what a province is?
Province, I think, ma'am, I hear this word in province in SS, ma'am, the place. Ma'am, place.
Yeah, you will hear it in SS. A province.
Country.
Okay, a province is a
Provinces.
government office. We have government offices here.
Yes, ma'am.
Like that. In a place, any place, Kaluga, no? Kaluga has its own province. They have a small office which runs the administration. What is administration? You understand? Official
Yes,
work
ma'am.
like that. A province is an office which runs the administration of that particular place. So this province will run the administrative work of Kaluga. Boys, is it clear? Akash, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure, Arya? Can you understand what I'm talking?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I too fast?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm happy. I'm glad you are understanding. Okay, shall we proceed? Shall we proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we proceed? Proceed means should I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what we saw till now. Okay, let's do a little revision from beginning. The name of the story is
A beggar.
Beggar.
The beggar.
The beggar.
the author Anton Chekhov.
Chekhov.
Anton
Anton
Chekhov. Okay.
Chekhov.
What is genre of the story? Genre. Don't call it genre. It is genre. G-E-N-R-E. Genre of the story. What is the genre of the story?
Literature fiction.
Literacy fiction. What is it? Literacy fiction. Are your parents around you? Are your parents watching the class with you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Knowing that you are studying, how bad? They will be very happy to see that you are answering all my questions. Yes or no? But okay,
ma'am.
no problem. We'll tell them later. Now, first one. Who was the first person we read about? Who was the first dialogue about? This dialogue, kind sir. Who said this first dialogue? Kind sir, please. What is this?
And any girl, I think.
The beggar. Very good. Who said that?
I'm Tanushri.
Very good, Tanushri. So the beggar is the first person who's saying, sir, please turn your attention to this beggar man, okay? And he's saying that he has been hungry for how many days?
3 days.
For 3 days. And what is he working as before? Where was he working?
In a village.
In a village. And what was he working as?
Village.
He was working as a
Lawyer. Lawyer.
who is that lawyer?
Lawyer.
Who is that lawyer?
Ma'am.
Akash. He was a school teacher. Who was he?
School teacher.
School teacher. Again, the beggar is telling, okay, the beggar is telling the lawyer, don't get confused. There are two people in the first scene. Can I clean this up? Should I clean this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there are two people in the scene, okay? So from the two people, one is the beggar. Who is the one, the first one?
Beggar.
One is
And a lawyer.
Advocate.
Squat soft. Who is the second one?
What?
Squat soft. First one is a
Beggar.
beggar. The second one is
Squat
soft. What is squat soft? What is his profession?
Advocate.
What is his profession? Advocate. So in the first part we are seeing that this beggar is coming to the advocate and telling that advocate's name is what again? Squat soft. Okay. Squat soft. Who is saying squat? Shrinika, are you saying squats off?
And squats off is correct, ma'am.
Squats off. Squat.
Squats off.
No squat. Squat. Squats off.
Squats off.
No squats off. Squat. Shrinika, practice squats off.
Squats off.
Shrinika, I will beat you. Squats off.
Squats off. Ma'am, I will practice in home, ma'am.
Square. See, when you're opening your mouth square, it will come square. Say score. Say score. Say cone. Cone. Squats off. Squats off. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Because everybody else keep quiet. Srinika alone says squats off loudly.
Squats off. Scopes.
Proceed till she says it correct.
Squats off.
Good job. Okay, so the beggar comes and tells the advocate squats off that he is hungry for 3 days. He has not eaten anything. That he has been an English teacher in a village. Sorry, not English. He has been a school teacher in a village. Okay, and they have removed him in an unfair manner, in an unfair way. They have thrown him out of the school. Okay, and now he's saying that he's going to get a job. Where is he going to get a job? Which place I said?
Provinces.
Province of
Kaluga.
Kaluga. Okay, now let's see why he's telling this to this man. Okay, now he's saying, now I have an offer of a position in the province of Kaluga. He went on means he continued talking. But I don't have the money to get there. Help me, kind sir. I am ashamed to ask, but I feel compelled. Now what he's saying is, I have got a job in the province of Kaluga, okay? But I don't have any money to go and join the job because from here I have to go to Kaluga. I am feeling very shamed, I'm feeling shy to beg for money like this to you, but I am compelled. What is compelled? Compelled.
Someone.
No other way.
Forced to someone.
Very close. But what is compelled? No other way, correct? But
Forced to
give me
someone.
one word, compelled.
Someone.
Compare.
Forced to. You don't have an option. You don't have a choice, but you have to do something. You are forced to do. If I tell you to do the homework, and do you have a choice? Do you not do the homework? Do you have a choice?
No, ma'am.
What will I do if you don't do the homework?
Ma'am, you will punish us.
Definitely punish you if you don't do my homework. So that's why same way you are compelled to do the homework. You are forced to do the homework. Similarly here, but students tell me something. Am I forcing you to do?
Number 4.
No, ma'am.
You will do easily. No, I will make small
Ma'am,
homework.
ourselves we are doing, ma'am.
Okay, then that means you are very good children. Akash, will you do? Akash,
Ma'am.
will you do the homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good job. Now, next, let's move on. Compare days to 4. So now he's saying that I don't have money to go to Kaluga and I am forced. I have no choice, but I have to beg from you for money. Then, spots of ice fell on the man's boot. Now, who is spots of again? Tell me who is spots of. I rounded up.
Lawyer.
The lawyer,
Advocate.
Listen to
Advocate.
who is that shouting?
Ma'am.
The
Two birds.
advocates.
One Akash and one Gale.
What? What are you saying? Okay, students, don't disturb in the middle, okay? Spots of ice fell on the man's boot. Ice fell means what fell out?
ma'am.
What is the meaning of ice fell? No, I will ask to Arya. Arya, please answer. What is the meaning of ice fell? Does it mean that his eyes came out and fell down?
Ice.
What is the meaning of ice fell? It's a phrase.
Ma'am, I have an idea.
Ice
Ma'am, I think
fall means what?
sweat.
Hmm?
Sweat.
See? Okay, let me make a sentence, okay? As I was scrolling to my screen, my eyes fell on Arya's profile. Okay, or my eyes fell on Akash's picture. What does it mean? Did my eyes go and fall?
I'm seeing.
Very good, very good, Akash, very good. Okay,
I
so
saw.
as my eyes fell in the sense, my eyes automatically my side, okay, my looking has gone towards you. My eyes have gone to you. I'm looking at you. Is it clear? So,
Yes, ma'am.
Soft's eyes fell. So he's looking at the boots. What are boots? Have you seen boots?
Shoes.
Shoes.
Shoes in colder regions, they will wear heavy shoes with zips and all. They are very high, up till the knees and all. Very, very big boots. Okay. So Skvortsov looks at this beggar's legs and he sees the boots. Okay. One of which was almost till the knees. One boot of his was reaching till the knee. Where is your knee? You know where is your knee, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One shoe was reaching till the knee, and the other was though like a shoe. Other one was normal. The shoes we wear now to school, that was like that normal shoes. And one shoe was very, very high till the knee. And he suddenly remembered something. Now he's looking at these two shoes, and while observing his shoes, suddenly he remembers that there is something about this person. Okay, clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, are scaring me. Are you sure it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, look here. It seems to me that I met you the day before yesterday in Sadovaya Street. Okay, Sadovaya Street. Now, Skvortsov is telling this beggar, I think that I have seen you before on this Sadovaya Street. Okay. But you told me that you were a student who had been expelled. Now, can you hear me? If I come here, you can hear me? Students, can you hear me if I'm standing here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this I have written? What is this? Akash, don't write anything. What is that I have written here? Please read it loudly.
Expelled.
Expelled, not spelled. E sound A. Expelled. Okay. So this beggar, what now Skvortsov is telling the beggar, I remember that I met you somewhere at a Sadovaya Street, and I remember that you told me that you were a student who was expelled. Now this beggar, first what he said, that he's a teacher. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now Skvortsov remembers that he's met this beggar before, and the beggar that time told that he was a school student. But what he's saying that he's expelled. What is the meaning of expelled? Okay, I'm framing a sentence now. Okay, Pooja Shri, Pooja Shri.
Ma'am.
Okay, if I say, Pooja Shri, if you commit any mischief in the class, I will expel you from the school. What does it mean?
Remove. Remove.
Remove. Very
Will
good.
remove from the school.
Remove or throw away.
From the school.
Sentence. Remove or throw.
Thrown
away.
away.
Okay, so I can throw you out of the school if you do any
What is the word?
So this beggar is telling that I have been thrown out of my I have been expelled from my college, that he was a college student. So far, is it clear to all of you?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
No, that's not possible. Mumbled the beggar. What is mumbled? When somebody gets scared, you see how they will talk, no? Akash, what are you doing?
I'm writing.
Show me what you're doing. What are you doing? Don't write, I will send everything. Don't just leave it. I will send all. This all words are marked, I will send everything. You just listen to me. I will send notes, classwork, everything I will send. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So then I'm saying that beggar is scared. Now he's confused. He doesn't know what to talk. So he's mumbling. Mumbling means not speaking clearly. So the beggar mumbled. Okay? Is it clear? In confusion. So he's confused and he's mumbling. I am a village school teacher, and if you like, I can show you my papers. Now he is caught in his own lie, yes or no? Now to prove himself, he's saying, no, sir, it's not possible. I am really a school teacher. If you want, I will show you my papers. Do you think this beggar will really have any papers with him?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Lying. Because he's already caught in his lie. He's trying to escape. Are you bored, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you bored?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No,
Should we
ma'am.
go a little more ahead? What do you want me to do? Should I continue or stop the class? What do you want?
Ma'am, we
Continue,
continue.
ma'am.
Continue. This much more is remaining. This much last part. I'll just finish it off, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, now listen carefully. He's saying that I will show you my papers. Spotsov gets very angry since he's a advocate. He says, enough of your lies. You said you were a student and even told me what you had been expelled for. Okay, Spotsov flushed. What is flushed? If a person gets very, very angry, they become red. Have you seen those people? Some people when they get angry,
Very angry and
especially the fair people, no, they will become red. The nose, cheeks, everything will become red. That is called flush. Okay, when a person gets very angry and becomes all red in color, that is called flush. So Spotsov gets so angry that he becomes entirely red, and he says that you lied to me. You told me that you are a student and you are thrown out of school, and today you are telling me that you are a teacher. So he gets very angry. This is dishonesty. He continued angrily. So what he's saying that this is dishonesty. What is dishonesty? Very simple word. Come on.
it's not honest.
Not honest.
Right now you know it. Okay. Not honest. He is a liar. He's lying. Okay. He continued angrily. Being poor and hungry doesn't give you the right to lie so outrageously. What is outrageous? Can you see if I
Talking bad. Ma'am, outrageous means I think
Excessive.
what?
not
from the
talking like
Bad or
someone.
excessive. No right
Outrageously
to
means
tell to
okay.
another.
Shockingly bad or excessive.
Do not search there. This is cheating. You should not search answers. Outrageously means to a very intensely, to an extent. For example, if I get very, very angry on you and I start shouting and I start, I just don't listen to anything. I get very angry on you and I do, I start throwing things away. That is called outrageously. So much anger, very intense. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
In this situation, Spotsov is telling the beggar, just because you are just because that you are poor and whatever, you don't have money, it doesn't mean that you can give excuses to such an extent that you can lie so much. You can't lie so much. Is it good to lie?
No, ma'am.
So that's
ma'am. No, ma'am.
something to this extent. You can't go to this level to lie. Then, I am not lying, he muttered. Muttered again means like slowly he said, I'm not lying, because now he's caught. He's caught, no? He's muttering, he's saying very slowly, I'm not lying. I can show you my papers. He looked around. Okay, he's looking around. I tried to exit the scene. Now he's put himself in trouble, yes or no, by lying?
Yes, ma'am.
So now he's trying to get out of this situation. He's saying, I'm not a liar. I can show you my papers. He's trying to get out of there. He's trying to run away from there. But Skvortsov has caught him. I mean, he's trying to continue the conversation. Okay? Then, who would believe you? Skvortsov scolded the beggar unmercifully. Scolded means what?
Ma'am, shouting at the beggar. Shouting at beggar.
Shouting at the beggar. Very good. So Skvortsov scolded, shouted at the beggar. Okay. What is unmercifully? What is unmercifully?
Ma'am, no idea.
Shrinika, what is unmercifully?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, no idea.
Okay, let's remove. Okay, let's remove fully. What is unmercy? What is unmercy? Unmercifully is without showing any
Not
mercy
interested.
or without
Pity.
even sorry. Okay, you don't show any mercy or pity or sorry. You don't feel bad for that person. Okay, so without feeling bad, he just shouts. Why does he shout? Why does Skvortsov shout at the beggar?
Because burger said lying. Burger said lying.
Because the beggar is lying. Very good.
Beggar saying.
So since the beggar is lying, Skvortsov is flushed. He's very angry and he's shouting at the beggar that you can't lie at this extent. Playing such a low and dirty trick to exploit sympathy, it's disgusting. 2 words. Exploit. What is exploit?
Make full use of or benefit from.
Exploit. Make full use of. Who is that cheetah telling the answers from behind?
Ma'am, I am.
Who, Srinika?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am.
Okay. So making use, extreme use, okay, full use of whatever you're getting, any advantage that you're getting is called as exploiting. Okay. Just because your parents give you a mobile phone, that doesn't mean that you exploit it. It doesn't mean that you use it to an extent that you don't even use it only for study. You will misuse it. You will sit and watch videos. You will start messaging with your friends. It's called exploiting. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Exploit. And the next word we came across is sympathy. What is sympathy?
Ma'am,
Making a problem.
Creating a
creating a
Making a
See,
problem.
when a person is sad, no? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Person is very sad. So in that situation, you are going to, you will say that I am feeling bad for you. Having a feeling of the other person is called sympathy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
See, for example, if anyone loses a person in their house, okay, sometimes we will lose our grandparents, yes or no? So you become sad when you lose your grandparents. So when people will come to your house, no, they will give condolences. They will say, my heartful sympathies with you. I'm feeling sorry about what happened, that you lost your grandparents. That is called sympathy. Is it clear?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Vignesh? Vignesh, are you sleeping?
No, ma'am.
Are you listening? Have you understood anything? Akash, don't laugh. Done? Shall we continue? What is disgusting? Niranjan, don't laugh.
I'm
Start
discussing.
laughing, no, like this.
Hands up.
Everybody will make it a joke.
Ma'am.
Disgusting. What is the meaning of disgusting?
Disgusting.
Someone just
Disgusting. Disgusting. There.
I'm discussing.
Okay. When you see something, let me continue. When you see something dirty, okay. When you see something dirty, you're going to see, oh my God, that is so disgusting. Okay, disgusting is dirty or very bad. Yeah,
Dirty.
very bad. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So they are saying that it's disgusting. Spots of was furious. What is furious? Very, very angry. What is furious?
I'm very angry.
Very angry. I have another students. 20 minutes more. We will finish the class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So he was furious.
Yes, ma'am.
The line offended what he spots of was prized in himself. Okay. So what? Why is spots of getting so angry? Why so much anger he's getting?
Ma'am, he is lying.
Not having
Beggar
Yeah,
is
he's lying so much. But why should spots of get so angry? Y'all also lie, no? People, y'all also lie, yes or no?
Ma'am, for
Not
that,
having cover, ma'am.
And you don't do homework? Ma'am, I went for function, ma'am. I went here, ma'am. I went there, ma'am. Lie.
reason. They are saying reason, so he's
See, spots of was an advocate, yes or no?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And advocates are supposed to
கிடைக்கலக்கா டவர் கிடைக்கலக்கா
advocates are supposed to be very what do you say, genuine people. They are always supposed to tell the truth. They should give justice to the people. So in his profession he is known for always being loyal, correct? So that's why he was expecting that this beggar should not be lying so much. Okay, correct? That's why it is making him so much angry. Fine. Now, his kindness, his tender heart, and his compassion for all unhappy beings. Okay, now what is compassion, students? Compassion.
hello 1 2 3 medicine
What is compassion?
Sympathy, pity, and
Compassion. Who said that?
come back.
Ma'am, it means I think
Compassion is empathy. Empathy means what? When you put yourself in another person's situation and you try to understand their pain, it is called as empathy. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
yes
Again, I'm
ma'am
repeating. Empathy or compassion means having to understand the feeling of another person. Okay, understanding the pain of the other person is compassion. Clear or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, Spotsov was having a lot of feelings, a lot of kindness, a lot of tender. Tender means what? What is tender? Tender. Who is whistling? Who is that who just whistled? Who whistled?
didn't hear ma'am
Who whistled? Akash, was it you?
No, ma'am.
See, I'm telling you, no jokes in this class. And by the way, this class I'm going to send to professor, and he will know who's doing what. Yourselves. Just because you're like in 8th standard, it doesn't mean you'll misbehave like this. Clear? Clear or not clear?
Yes, ma'am. Dear.
Especially the boys. Okay. Tender means what? Have you heard of tender coconut? What is tender? Don't know?
Coconut.
Let me say, the petal of the rose petals are really tender. What does it mean?
can't hear ma'am
Who can't hear me? Who can't hear? Tender means soft.
ma'am Vignesh
Vignesh, can you hear? Tender means soft. What is it?
ma'am stop
Okay, so Spotsov was a tender man. Okay, he had a kind heart, he had a helpful heart, and he was compassionate, he was helpful. Okay, he wanted to help the poor and people who are really in need of help. Okay,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
but what was happening now? He was feeling that this beggar, by telling so many lies like this, is taking advantage of his kindness. Okay, it was disrespectful towards the charity. What is charity? CHARITY. Charity.
Ma'am, to society.
Ma'am, for they are collecting money.
Ma'am, to society.
Donate.
that is
Have you gone to orphanages? Have you gone to orphanages? What is an orphanage?
Yes, ma'am.
People, they have like a shelter home, and there are children who don't have parents. They don't have anybody. This is called as an orphanage. Sometimes some people will give donate or do charity of somebody. They will give money, give food, will give clothes. Okay, that is called charity. Clear?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Yes,
Louder, louder.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So he was feeling that this person is taking advantage of my charity towards the unhappy people. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He liked to then. It was like it was an insult to his pure heart. The beggar continued to protest. He was, what is protest? Have you heard in SS? Protest you will hear in SS subject 600. You must have heard this protest. Or last year also 700. Protest. What is the meaning of protest?
Ma'am, protest means anyone against something.
against
You are trying to fight back. Yes, protest is to talk against. Okay, you are still fighting. The beggar is still fighting and saying that no, I am not lying. Okay, he's still trying to say that he's telling the truth. But he became silent and hung his head in shame. Hung means what? H-U-N-G. Where should I write?
hunger.
H-U-N-G, hung. Past tense of? Clinical past tense of?
Ma'am,
Hung is
hang.
Ma'am,
hung past tense. So did it really hang his head somewhere? Hung means what? He put his head down. Okay, he puts his head down in shame because now finally he has admitted that he is a liar. He puts his head down in shame. So he said, laid his head on his hand on his heart. Now he wants to tell the truth finally. Where is your heart? Left or right side? Left or right?
Left
side.
Left side.
Left side. Here, your heart is on the left side. So he keeps his hand on the heart. Okay, and this is what he says. The fact is, I was lying. I am neither a student nor a school teacher. I used to sing in a Russian choir. What is a choir? C-H-O-R-R, choir. A group of people singing in a church is called a choir. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Because they will sing in church.
Yes, ma'am.
The choir. So he used to sing in one of the choir, but he was sent away for drunkenness. We discussed what is drunken before, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So because this beggar had a habit of drinking, he was always drunk. He was always in a position of drunkenness. So he was being removed from the choir. Okay. What else can I do? I have no other way to survive. No one will give me anything if I tell the truth. The truth, a man would starve to the, what is starve? S-T-A-R-E. Starve.
Start.
Starve. When you don't eat anything for a long time, it is called as starving. When you don't eat for so many days, okay? So he's saying that if I was in a Russian choir and because I was drinking, they removed me from the choir. But now I don't have any work to do, and if I tell the truth to anybody, nobody will give me a job. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now that he's saying that I will starve to death or die of cold for no place to sleep. So nobody is going to help him, so he will die out of cold because it's very cold in their places. Yes or no? The reasons you give are so now the reasons you give are just. I understand you, but what can I do? Now what is this beggar telling Skvortsov after the mistake that he has committed? Still he is telling that Skvortsov that I know that what you are saying is correct, but what can I even do? I can't do anything. What can you do? Now this Skvortsov gets very angry and he's asking, what can you do? You ask, what can you do? He's getting so angry. He's asking like this, what can you do? What do you mean by what can you do? And you are asking me, what can you do? Okay, cried Skvortsov. What is the meaning of cried? Do you really think Skvortsov cried over there, bringing out tears from his eyes? What is the meaning of cried?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
What is the meaning of cried?
Ma'am, I can't hear the word, ma'am.
Cried. What is the meaning of cried?
Crying.
I'm crying.
Past tense.
Crying.
The past tense of cry. But in this situation, cried Skvortsov. 1 second, students.
Cried.
One minute. I'll just come back. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. I'll stop to the end of the chapter. Okay, end of the chapter. We shall finish this. Cried Skvortsov. Cried in the sense he says it very loudly. Are you asking me what to do? Okay, he cried in the sense very loudly. Okay, you tell somebody very loudly is also called as cry. Work. That's what you got to do. You must work. Now, Skvortsov is. Don't ask me what you have to do. You should know that you have to do work. Is that clear? Complete your first page. We are done. Again, last time revision I'm doing. What is the name of the story?
The beggar.
Who has written the story? Who is the author?
Anton Chekhov.
What is the genre of the story? Genre of the story? Literacy.
Literacy fiction.
Who is the first person we read about in the story?
Beggar.
And the next person came was? Who was the next person who came? Skvortsov was what? Teacher, doctor, lawyer, what was he?
Lawyer.
So far clear everything?
Yes,
What did the beggar first? That he was what? What was the beggar first? He said that he was a He said that he was a school teacher in a village. Then second, what did Skvortsov remember? What did he tell Skvortsov before? That he was a student. And then finally, what was the truth? Where was he actually working? Where was he actually?
Sawyer.
Choir. CHOR. Was a part of a choir. Okay? Finally, why was he removed from the choir?
Drunken.
Yes, because of his drunkenness, because he was drinking every time. Very good. And then what did he say? What was he asking? What can he do? He was giving excuses. So what did Skvortsov tell him? What did Skvortsov tell him?
Shouting at the beggar.
Sorry, who's that?
Correct.
What did Skvortsov tell the beggar? Come on, answer me fast.
Cried
Skvortsov cried. Cried means what is the meaning of cried?
very loudly.
Very loudly shouting.
What did he tell? What did he tell?
Shouting very loudly.
He told them he told
must work.
had to. What he has to do?
You have to work.
He has to work. Understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is Devi? Students, is Divin on the video?
No, ma'am.
And Bala? Where is Bala, Rudar, Kannan, Divin? I don't really see anybody. Akash, can you do me one work, please?
What, ma'am?
Akash, please open participants. Can you see participants?
Yes, ma'am.
Please screenshot all the participants and send a list to me on WhatsApp. Please, on my personal chat. Will you do that for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Students, last announcement. I'm going to be sending the picture of the first page of the story to you. I will make some notes for you. Plus, I will be sending a homework to you. Please do it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you very much, students. In case of any difficulties or if you have any problem and you don't want to ask me here, message me on WhatsApp. I will reply. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, students.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am.